my name is Belgica and I'm an actress in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I make acting related videos as well as some skits. If you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe right now and click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. Today I wanted to talk about the fact that I'm in this really fun talk show. I'm in a talk show on the WeXL channel, and we are actually going to be on TV in a few local channels. So this talk show was an idea, I believe, of Arabella DeLuco. She created WeXL, the nonprofit, and then she found Gabby, and then she asked me if I also wanted to be in it, and we kind of got together and realized that we have a lot to say. The first time that we got together to talk about the show, we came up with so many different ideas. We were on a video call together, and I think we were on it for like 2.5 to 3 hours. So we just realized that we have a lot to talk about. And it's important to get our stories out there, our experiences and our opinions, just so people know they're not alone, because I feel alone a lot of the time. And then when I voice my opinions or experiences with my friends, it turns out they might be in the same situation or have been in the same situation, so it helps me a lot. And we have been getting a lot of really positive attention from people that want to work with us and make this show a bigger, even better thing. So we actually toured a new studio that we will be filming in yesterday, and I'll insert a few clips of the studio. And I'm so excited because so many people are helping us, and in the studio we will have a crew of at least 6 people, and of course me, Arabella, and Gabby in addition to that. And we're going to have, I forget the name of the camera, but the camera that's like way up and it like moves like a remote control camera kind of thing. And it's just a lot. It's just a really amazing studio, but I'm really excited about that. But the talk show, we talk about our experience as women in media, and I've just been having a lot of fun, so I wanted to share it with you guys on this channel and see if you wanted to check it out. I will put the shows that are out this far in the description, and then also at the end I'll put the WeXL channel so you guys can go check it out and you guys can subscribe to that, because that is where the talk show is published on. But we're also going to be on TV on some local channels here in the South Bay, so I'm really excited about that. More people will be able to see our talk show, and yeah, I'm just really excited. We also have guests that will be coming on. So yeah, I'm in a talk show and I'm so excited about it, and I have so much fun. I love talking to Arabella and Gabby, and this is just very therapeutic for me, so I hope you guys go check it out and enjoy it. I'll insert a few clips of the studio tour that we did yesterday. So we are in the studio now, and we just had a couple hours of meeting and we discussed the set. So this is the actual studio, and then back here there's a control room, and we are going to recruit volunteers because this studio functions with 3 volunteers in the control room and then 3 volunteers here on set. And so right now we were talking about what pieces of set we want to use for our actual talk show. So we're either going to use this section over here or this over here, which we're probably not going to do the green screen because it's a lot more work, but we could potentially have a studio audience with these chairs over here if we wanted to. There's a bunch of backdrops over there. There's teleprompters that we won't use, and then we have, I forget what that camera up there is called that can move, but then we'll also have up to 3 additional cameras, and then it'll be us in front of the camera. Of course, we will just talk. We won't be using the teleprompter. And then over there in the control room, they will actually be cutting each camera so that we can just take it and upload it just as it is, and they will be putting it on 2 channels, I think 3 times a day. This is really exciting that we have this new opportunity to come into this studio as a nonprofit and create our content in this amazing studio with a bunch of people. So the next steps, we are going to go shopping for some of the stuff for the set, and we're going to recruit people. But yeah, this is super cool that we have this opportunity. This is only going to be the 3rd time that we film this show, because we usually film a few episodes at a time. So it's going to be the 3rd time, and we're already going to have 6 crew members plus, you know, whoever else are other producers that are going to be here. But I'm really excited that we have this opportunity, and we've been talking about all the details and uploads, and I think right now we are going to be filming once a month. So this studio is in Palo Alto, and then this is the control room, and that's it. yeah, thank you guys so much. If you liked this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe to my channel. My goal is to get to 500 subscribers by the end of December, and I'm hoping I can do that. I need to get like at the very least 1 subscriber a day. I will also be releasing 12 Days of Millennial Christmas, which is actually 13 videos very soon, so you guys should definitely stay tuned for that. I worked with it with my best friend, and we had a lot of fun filming it. It was a crazy time, but it was really fun. So see you guys later.